Okay, guys, today we have the T-Rex car. It's like, it's literally a T-Rex. That's all I really have to say about it. Other than it's got like a grill for a mouth. Its entire grill actually spans all the way to the windshield, or the door. It's like a grill mouth thing. Headlights on the tail. Well, no. Headlights on the eyes. And it has this Jurassic Park emblem on it. And then it's got like a golden tan, like I don't know, like a bronze color. It's got copper rims looking. And the semi piece that like hooks up the trailers is the tail. It's like got a tan bottom. And yeah, it's really cool. I was gonna pick this up originally, but I got these two instead that day. The blue Velociraptor car and the Gigantosaurus car. But then I went back another day and got the T-Rex car. I'm still in the hunt for the Triceratops one, which is a really cool car. But I'll make an update when I get that. Now that's the end of the video.